Momsies and friends! If you're new here, my name is Momshi Armedy, a Filipino mom living in Dresden, Germany. Christmas is just around the corner, and here in Germany, we celebrate it with a lot of people, especially our families and friends. So we start the celebration on the night of the 24th, and then lunch 25th, and then tea time, and then dinner. Sometimes we also even celebrate it on the 26th and even on the 27th. So it's like 3 to 4 day eating event. So you'd rather be hungry beforehand. For our tea time, or we call it here Kaffee Trinken, we serve definitely cafe, tea, and this Christmas cookies, this little flat cookies, we call it Plätzchen. We usually decorate it with our children. And then other Christmas cakes and desserts. So for today's vlog, we are going to try on a teapot from MeditaCup, which we can definitely use during our Christmassy season time for our Kaffee Trinken because it can fit in around 1,400 ml of water, so definitely can serve a lot of people. And we will also test the durability. Plus, I'm gonna give you a Christmas tea recipe. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Los geht's! Here in Germany, you can easily find loose tea like this, dried leaves and dried fruits with almonds and cinnamon. So it's very Christmassy, aromatic flavor. So if you don't have something like this, especially in the Philippines, then we can make our own tea, Christmas tea, by just using very basic ingredients that you can find in the supermarket in the Philippines. So here, this one is peppermint tea, and then apple tea, and if you have cinnamon sticks like this, each one, or if not, then you can just use cinnamon powder. So we're just gonna use this very simple ingredients for your Christmas tea. So let's try it.
First, let's heat up 1 liter of water, as this will take few minutes. On a small bowl, mix the ingredients accordingly. The MeditaCup durable teapots are made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass and food-grade 304 stainless steel. Once the water is heated up, assemble the teapot. Position the clip away from the sprout and press gently to secure and to avoid the strainer to come loose. Once the pot is ready, pour the ingredients and add the hot water. Secure the lid. Ta-da! Ready for our tea time! Homemade tea served with love!
Taste testing, Momsies and friends! Eto na! Prost! I haven't told you, I'm actually a tea lover. That's why gusto ko itong tea. Ang sarap. Very, very Christmassy feeling. And then, I'm pairing it with the Plätzchen or the Christmas cookies. So, perfect match siya. But if you want, pwede rin kayo magdagdag ng sugar or honey for your tea. But for me, I prefer it black because the cookies is already sweet. Perfect. And it's actually true to its size. So, I cooked 1,000 I want 1 liter of water, 1,000 ml, and it's until here, so it's definitely 1,400 ml if you make a full batch. And now I've just used the small teacups, so you can share around 5 people in one recipe, or you can make a 1.5 recipe and then good for more than 5 people. What I really like about this is the lid is fast secure. Ayan, no? You don't have to put your finger like this. Secure na secure siya. So the filter has a very small holes
That's why there's nothing, no residue at all. So all but good taste. Everything is purely secured here in the filter. So now let's try its durability. I'm gonna put some ice cubes because I'm feeling super warm right now, so I want it a little bit cold. And let's see if this glass will not break. So it survived the ice cubes. Kaya very much intact pa rin ang ating glass. So now we're gonna try to put it inside the microwave. So I already removed the lid and the filter because those are stainless steel metal. So you definitely need to remove it when you put it inside the microwave. We're gonna test it for low heat because it's still kind of warm. So I'm just gonna need to a little bit warm it up. And for like 30 seconds, let's see if it's gonna stand our microwave test. So Momshies and friends, it survived our microwave test for medium-low heat for around 1 minute of warming up our tea because of its materials, which is borosilicate glass. Napaka-strong niya and it won't break easily. So now for our last durability test, we're gonna cook water in this pot dun mismo sa ating stove. So let's try it on. Boiling water siya dito sa ating teapot. So it's very, very durable. Legit 100%. I can definitely say that the MeditaCup teapot is 100% durable and it has stainless steel metal and borosilicate glass. Perfect as a gift this coming holidays to your loved ones, families, and friends. If you love this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Cheers!
Promise?